Hello, all those people. Sambira here. So, since we have the time and space, I thought I'll do a little product demos here. Today, I'll be showing you how the Karrimor Dry bag works. This is a 2-liter dry bag. It also comes in other sizes like the 20-liter, 10-liter, 5-liter, and up to the 70-liter. It's basically a dry bag for those items that you wouldn't want to get wet in the mountains, on the trail, or even on normal day life. It rains a lot in East Africa, so yeah, will be very important. This 2-liter, this 2-liter dry bag is the smallest of them, and I would say it's good enough for your phone, your notebooks, your passport, and anything else that can fit in here that you wouldn't want to get wet. So it's as simple as this, simple bag as this. It has very nice seams and a very whole layer inside that keep anything that you put in dry. So we're just going to try a demo. I'm going to put my phone in here and see if it will stay dry. So instead of my notebook, I'll put in this microphone box. What's more destroyed by water easily than paper? So we're going to try out and see if this paper will remain dry after dipping this dry bag in the tub. Alright, here we go. The sink, I'll use the sink. Alright, here we go. So after doing that, you just simply lock it up like this. Simply roll and lock it up. So we have our paper in here. This is something that we really want to keep dry. So just throw this in the sink and open the tap. Yeah, get it as wet as we can. Alright, I guess that's enough. You notice how despite opening water on it in the sink, it's kinda dries easily on the top. Yeah, it's very water resistant. So let's just check if we have our paper box in here still dry and intact. No magic. Yeah, so I have to show you. Okay. Yep. No single drop of water. Still dry, not destroyed. That is just a paper box. So just imagine you put in here your clothes, your passport, your phone. It will remain totally dry. So you can get yourself this dry bag from our store at sunny-outdoors.com. You can simply search dry bag and it will come up. So you can get them in different sizes: 2 liters, 5 liters, 10 liters, 20 liters, 40 liters, 70 liters. Visit sunny-outdoors.com. We shall deliver it to you within 48 hours to your address. Alright, see you in another product demo. Bye.